Hey guys, Steve Bates at KPMG with another special edition of CIO Real Insights. The road through recovery and emergence into the new reality is rewriting the world as we know it. Our relationships to global institutions, political, consumer, capital markets, religious, education, and social are all undergoing tremendous upheaval. And while different industries and markets will follow different paths and speeds into this uncharted future, all will exist in a much more digitally connected world. In today's video, we're going to explore how the digital backbone of that connected world, meaning cloud, network, and modern IT infrastructure components, underpin your ability to navigate this change. The shift to cloud native and public cloud has radically accelerated, and with that growth in mind, we'll provide you some insights that you might want to consider as we move forward. First topic, all things remote. From the millions now working remotely to the necessity of doing all sorts of business through online transactions, it's clear that our infrastructure, residential, commercial, and municipal, is under strain. However, as both employee and consumer preferences become more embedded into these new digital channels and working methods, there will be increased expectations for high bandwidth, low latency solutions, as well as a lower tolerance for performance issues and outages. The technology shift that we thought was 5 years out will now happen over the next 2 years. This is the time to anticipate increased demand for things like 5G PCs, anywhere productivity via mobile devices, reimagined remote working setups, integrated SaaS collaboration tools, as well as things like highly secure PaaS or containerized solutions that can seamlessly interact across a large dynamic ecosystem. In short, the myriad of rapid response steps you are taking now will pay off in the immediate future if you execute a purposefully embedded strategy to get these solutions into your operating model and your architectural roadmap. Next up, optimizing cost while delivering on the new reality. At the same time that this new set of user expectations are emerging, many companies are actively managing cash flow and expenses just to survive. In response, instead of investing heavily in modernizing legacy infrastructure and data centers, seek to conserve capital and shift to the cloud to satisfy near-term demand for digital services. Many companies have already moved to hybrid multi-cloud environments, meaning a mix of on-prem, private, and public cloud environments. And on average, they're paying over 30% more in infrastructure resources than are needed to meet the current business objectives. So for these organizations, optimizing and right-sizing infrastructure capacity and spend is critical. Here are some immediate levers to pull. Take specific steps to review and upgrade your virtual machines. Shut down and right-size unused or underutilized compute instances. Move to containers. Review for missed volume and commitment discounts. Move to PaaS. And switch to the optimal pricing model for your workloads. On-demand, reserved, spot, preemptible as examples. If you're interested in this topic, check out the resources on this page and we'll do a deeper dive into cost optimization strategies coming up in our next video series. Lastly, resiliency in the hybrid multi-cloud. If this event has taught us anything, it's that agility alone is a limited value prop. Without resiliency and the ability to make well-informed risk-based decisions, the agile enterprise is held hostage to external forces. To disperse risk, increase workload relevancy, and gain flexibility, it's important to consider diversifying the single provider model and move to a more multi-cloud option that contains a combination of both public and private cloud services. That being said, while a hybrid multi-cloud environment can provide flexibility and enhanced risk management, it can also introduce a lot of complexity when trying to host data and applications across environments. While containerization, infrastructure as code, cloud-native management systems like Kubernetes, open APIs, and an exploding tools ecosystem are out there to reduce multi-cloud complexity, security and portability across multi-cloud remains a challenge. In the near term, think carefully about what applications and data you put where and why, and factor in the cost of re-engineering and re-architecting if you choose to move to a new environment. For more information on multi-cloud management, check out the resources on this page. Without question, cloud and modern infrastructure solutions are essential ingredients to emerging into a successful tomorrow. This is the moment to re-examine your entire modern infrastructure strategy and ask yourself the following questions. Are your cloud and network strategies delivering the speed and flexibility you require? Is your environment enabling the secure, connected, and seamless experience your users demand? Is your architecture built to take advantage of a much broader digital ecosystem within the next year? How confident are you that you have optimized the spend on your current infrastructure environment? We've got a lot more short videos and resources for you on our COVID-19 CIO Real Insights page, plus more content coming your way on IT funding and cost management and adapting your IT operating model. Remember, at any time you need help, just click the link on this page and get connected to an expert for more advice and support on your particular situation. Until next time, thanks for watching and stay healthy.